here it is here, the FabFitFun Winter Edition box. Yay! Oh my goodness, I'm so excited and happy. I already know everything that's inside of this box because he did give it to me today for Christmas. So, there's always these little like coupon cards, stuff like that. Oh, they actually threw in a FabFitFun sticker this year. I don't think I've ever, this is my third box now, and I don't think I've ever gotten a FabFitFun sticker, so that's pretty interesting. The little wine card thing they gave before in a FabFitFun box, but I'm not from the States, so I can't even use that. They gave a Hello Fresh meal, 9 free meals type card. I don't get a Hello Fresh, so it is what it is. And then we have their magazine that they always throw in. It shows what's inside the box. Like I said, I already know what's in it, so I'm sorry. It's just I received it Christmas morning here this morning, so through my excitement, of course, I was going to open it. And in the box came this little wallet. It's a below the belt crock card case. Get it open. Ooh. And that's it here. It's just a little card holder and little, I guess, for some change. Just a little opening there. 2 pockets in the front, and then the zipper on the back, which has a little pocket, like I said, for a little bit of change or receipts even. So there's that there. I don't know if I'll ever use it, to be honest. Like, it's probably one of those things that's probably gonna just sit there in my room. Then oh my goodness, one of the things I was extremely excited about when I opened this box. I was so thrilled and excited to see this in my FabFitFun box, and it's the Cozy Robe, 100% polyester. So it's super warm. That's it. Hold on, I'll get her. There we go. That's it here. And it has little pockets in it. Oh my goodness, it's so warm. It comes with the belt. And absolutely love it. Love it, love it, love it. Here we go. Got the hood. Oh my gosh, it's so warm. So I'm really gonna like this, especially like getting out of the tub during the winter time here and it's cold as anything, so. Or wear it around early in the mornings or late at night. So there's that as well. The next thing that was in here was the daily facial brush for radiant looking skin. I've never used one of these before, so I'm really curious. Ooh. Open up the box. Ooh, the bristles are extremely soft. It's so teeny tiny. That's it there. You can hang it up. Really, really cute. The next thing is apple cider vinegar dry shampoo powder. A gentle dry shampoo powder that helps absorb oil and impurities, refreshes style quickly, and adds a touch of lift and texture. This almost looks like a sample size. Interesting. Now this could be the regular size. Put it down in the comments below if it is, but like this is really, well, there it is in my hand. Okay, I'm curious. I'll try it and see what it's all about, but I don't know. I didn't think FabFitFun did sample size items, or not like a big variety, and I don't know, after opening this morning, it seems like a nice few sample sizes, because here's the liquid eyeliner in black. And again, it's in a really tiny case. Don't know if it's the full size or not, but again, extremely tiny, and it might be the full size. Again, let me know down in the comments below, but here it is here. And then the brush, that's it there. Don't know if y'all can see it, but the container is extremely small. Like the majority of it is the wand, and then it's like this little tiny tube. So there's that as well. The next item, which is Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. This is from Tula Skincare. Here's the container here. Very cute pink. All right, so Rose Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. Is that supposed to open like that? Or was it, or, okay. This, I guess, comes off. Does it roll up or like, okay. So there you go there. That's what it looks like. All right, I might use this. I might try it, see what this is all about. I've never used an eye balm before, so this is new for me. That's it there. The next thing I have here is Dr. Brandon Pore Perfecting Exfoliator. Helps refine the appearance of pores, deep cleans pores, help smooth the appearance of pores and skin texture. That's the box there. Again, quite tiny, so I'm hoping this is actually the full size product and this is what it actually is, not sample sizes, because if FabFitFun is leaning more towards a bunch of samples and not just putting in like one or two, I understand, but if they're putting in a bunch, that's gonna make me hesitant to continue the subscription company. But yeah, this is the container here. The blue is absolutely gorgeous. I'm really curious what this is like, but I'll give it a try in the next few weeks. Hopefully it's good. I have really sensitive skin, so I get kind of hesitant with trying these types of products, but I'll give it a go, see what it's like. And the final item in my FabFitFun box, which I was extremely excited about. Oh! And if you guys know, the ceramic mugs, if you've been following them on Instagram, hallelujah. Oh my goodness. I'm in love with these. In love. When I seen this in the box, I almost freaked out this morning. Here they are. Oh, they're so gorgeous. I love a cup of tea and hot chocolate every day. I always have one in the morning. I sometimes have one in the evening, but these are absolutely breathtaking and gorgeous. It's the inside, the bottoms. But oh my goodness, they're so, so pretty. And then that's the handles. Gorgeous. But that is everything in the FabFitFun box.